Hey everyone, ever dreamed of growing your own delicious veggies in just a month? Today, we're diving into the world of mini beetroot, a small but mighty veggie with tons of flavor. These vibrant red gimps are not only beautiful, but they're super easy to grow at home. Want to give it a try? Beetroots are part of the cruciferous family and are considered an annual herb. They are known for their super quick growth cycle. Not only are they crisp and sweet, but their short time from planting to harvest makes them ideal for any gardener. Seriously amazing. And the best part, you can grow them all year round in warmer climates. They're the perfect addition to your everyday meals. So if you're excited about growing them too, hit that like button. Let's get into this simple step-by-step guide on how to grow your own mini beetroots. First things, grab your beetroot seeds and soak them in warm water. This helps soften the seeds and allows them to absorb water, releasing all those essential nutrients inside the seeds, which will help speed up the germination process. After soaking for about half a day, prepare some damp paper towels. Wrap the soaked seeds in the paper towels. Spray a little water to keep them moist. Then, it's time to start the seed sprouting process. After about 2 days, when you see the seed shell cracking and small white sprouts, it's time to plant them into seedling pots. So why do we sprout the seeds before planting? And why use small seedling pots? Well, there are two great reasons. First, seedling pots offer the perfect environment for the young plants. The loose soil and consistent moisture help roots grow strong. Second, the small space helps to better control the temperature, light, and nutrients, creating the ideal conditions for healthy growth and development. Around day 15, the young plants will have a pretty solid root system, and the small beetroot will start to form. And this is an important next step. Mini beetroot. At this stage, we need to do something really important, because as the beetroot forms, the limited nutrients and space in the seedling pot begin to be insufficient. Not enough for the beetroot to grow. The beetroots need more nutrients. To make sure that every beetroot gets enough nutrients to grow to its full potential, we need to transplant them to a bigger space. To prep the ideal planting soil, mix sandy soil with compost and a little fertilizer. Mix well. With soil like this, not only does it ensure good drainage, but it also provides all the nutrients the beetroot needs throughout the whole growing cycle. When transplanting, select the beetroots that are growing well. Carefully place the whole root ball into the new soil. Plant the beetroot, keeping it intact. Make sure you have the right spacing between rows and plants. Make sure the top part of the beetroot is exposed above the soil. Just bury the roots in the soil, that's all. Once transplanted, give them a light watering. Usually, by around day 30. When the mini beetroots are about the size of your thumb, they're ready for harvest. Of course, if you want them to grow a little bigger, you can wait a few more days. This will allow them to grow a little more. See? Growing mini beetroot is super easy and fun, right? I hope this video inspires you to get growing today. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this with your friends, so we can grow our own beautiful veggie gardens together.